How to fix WhatsApp link device error on iPhone. Having trouble linking your WhatsApp account to another device? Let's explore solutions to this common issue. A stable internet connection is essential for linking devices. Ensure both your iPhone and the other device are connected. Ensure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp, as updates can resolve linking issues. Restarting your iPhone and the device that you're linking can clear temporary glitches. If issues persist, reinstalling WhatsApp can help. Remember to back up your chats first. For unresolved problems, reach out to WhatsApp support for assistance. These steps should help you successfully link your WhatsApp account for other devices. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.